This is Ni Hamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guess what? Today is Nigeria's Democracy Day, June 12th, and this is day 12 of the GDB Design Challenge. So we're going to be remodeling this design. We'll revamp the design, right? Just to create something that has to do with the Democracy Day, all right? So it's going to be Happy Democracy Day, June 12th, and then any other thing you want to add to it. All right, so this is the design we want to model, and then this is how we're going to go about it. Okay, so I'm going to use this guy. I will tell you how I got it. Let me take it out so that you see exactly how I got it. So the size we'll be using is the width is 1080, then the height is 1350 pixels. All right, so this is it. All right, so where do we begin from? So I'm going to bring in the art, all right, which we're going to like to use to form our background. But this is it. You will see it in the description of this video. So this is it. I want to model everything I see here. Okay, everything I see here. So how do we do that? So click on this. Now I don't want to use this exact stuff. I just want to take this this crowd of people here. To do that, I'm going to click on I'll copy this. All right, let me get the gradient first. Let me go to the gradient first. So click on this. Are you seeing that now? This guy here. Click on this. All right, when you click there, you're going to go over here where you have color. Then you will click on gradient, and then you will click on the plus button, and then you would click on this one of it. Just click on one of this guy. There are two, one here. So click on one of it, and then click on the color. Then go over here. Then click on this and pick this color. All right. Then go over here. Click on this. Click here and pick the middle color. All right. Now go over here. You'll see this one that look like a circle here. I mean this guy here. This one is a radiant gradient. I said the radiant gradient. So once you click on that, then you have formed the gradient. Now you see that now. So we can now go ahead and delete one of it. So let me delete this one. So to get this guy out, we'll go here. Go to erase color. Are you seeing that now? Go to erase color. I mean this guy here. Where are you? I didn't see it again. So go to erase color, touch it, and then go to erase color. This, then enable it. Once you enable this, you will click on this this icon here. Okay, click on it. Then use your cursor, this circle, to pick the color that you want to remove. I want to remove this one first. All right, go to the area, then click on this check. It will take out one of the colors. Okay, now there's another color that is still remaining. So to let you know that to what we are doing, let me use a white color so that you're seeing it. Are you seeing it? There's still this green at the middle. So to take that green out, you go to erase color again. Click on the plus this time. Okay, click on the plus. I mean this guy here. Click on the plus. All right, click on it. Then click on this eyedropper. This guy here. Click on it. Alright, then select the color of the video there. Click on check to remove it. There's still another one. So click on the plus again. Click on the eyedropper again. Then pick that one there that looks like a shadow. Alright, good. We use our hand to remove that one, the other one. So how do we remove it? Go to eraser. Right, then just increase this, then we'll take it out like this. Alright, and then okay, you see that it's gone now. Alright, so we can work with this guy. So I'm going to put it right here like this. Then I'm going to bring in that background that we created. So I'll go to color, go to gradient. You see the background that we created. Okay. Alright, so I've created the template to be using. Okay, so this guy. So I'm going to remove this free pick by just putting it down here. Alright, So I can go ahead here and then I'll lock it at the layer. Okay, so I'll bring this guy to the front. Okay, so this is just basically it. So this is what I'm going to be working with. I just want to create like a simple stuff. So let's see. All right, I'll use this guy. All right, I'm going to come here. All right, so it's Happy Democracy Day, right? All right, so a very simple design. Let me use a long font like B-Bands, okay? I'm do this. This will be like a subtitle. Okay. I'll close this up. Okay, so I'd like this guy to be here. All right. Okay, so not just much. Just put this guy here. So I'm gonna put this guy here. Okay. I will centralize it. All right. All right. Let's take close this up a little. All right. Let's make sure it's at the middle. Okay. All right. So we can bring in Nigeria flag. All right, because it's one of the elements that would make for the significance of this design is the Nigeria flag. Okay. Because what the Democracy Day is all about is, I think I'm omitting something here, is celebrating the free and fair election that was conducted in 1983, right? Though it was later adjusted. Anyway, so let's look at where we can put the flag. So I want to put it somewhere here and see whether it fits. Okay. If that flag is going to stay there, I'm going to bring this guy up here. Send to the back. No, send this guy to the front, then send this guy to the front. All right, so like that. Okay. All right, so just go ahead and just type the June 12th somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to use a thicker, let me use MTN breadboard. All right, and let's give it a little space, and then we'll save. Now, if you look very well, it's a very simple design, but it speaks exactly for what it is made for. Happy Democracy Day. Something is missing. Day. Okay? The day is missing. So I want to put it here. Alright, I'm going to use a script font. Let's see which one works. Alright, let's see this. Okay, let's go to padding. Alright. Alright. Alright, I think it's cool. Alright, I think it's cool. The message is well communicated, okay? Let's see. Alright. Okay, so it's a very simple design, straight to the point, and the message is very, very clear right there. So there's something else. Look at this guy. I want this guy to come to the front. Okay, if that happens, all right. Happy Democracy Day, June 12th, honoring the spirit of freedom and unity. A very simple design that you can create and submit in our group. All right, click the link in the description. If you want to replicate this design, click the link in the description. But I want you to create something. Just look at the color theme, look at the purpose of the design, and try to create something out of it. Okay, all right, so that you're not just replicating design, because this is the second week of the GDB Design Challenge. I will not replicating design. We're actually modeling design. We're actually revamping design. If you look at this, is the original design. Are you seeing it now? This is the original design that we actually draw inspiration from. But now this is the model. This is what we came up with. You can see that they are not exactly the same thing, okay? So this is it. So that's all for today. Like this video, drop a comment, and then share it with your friends. Share it on your WhatsApp status, and let other people know about it on your Facebook timeline and everywhere. And don't forget to subscribe. My name is Nia Muda, and I will see you in another video.